Good evening, fathers. Welcome back to the Daiwik unboxing and activities. Today, I will tell you about different parts of flower. There are many parts of flower, so I will tell you about parts of flower today in the video. Let's begin. This is the flower, and there are many parts of it. So let us begin. So, guys, this is known as the calyx or salix. So, these sepal-like things protect the flower at the stage of the bud, and after this stage, the flower evolves into this type of stage in which the petals we can see the petals. After this stage, the flower evolves into this kind of stage, and these petals we can see them, and these petals are colorful and scented, which attract insects and it helps to pollinate the plants. And now the fully evolved flower. Calyx then is evolved into green leafy structures known as sepals. There are two parts of flower, male and female. So the male part of a flower is known as stamen. It is made up of a stalk called filament. So this whole stick-like structure is the filament. The yellow or orange knobs, which are known as the anther. So these small parts. When we press the anther, some pollens are released, and those pollens are essential for reproduction. The red things on the top of the flower is the female part, and they are beautiful because females are always beautiful. These five things are stigma. When anther release pollens, so the stigma takes them inside, and this is essential in reproduction of plants. There are some structures which we cannot see naked eye, like the ovary. We cannot see ovary with naked eye because the ovary is really small, and the ovary consists of really small eggs of plants which are known as ovules. The flower, this whole flower, is attached to the stem with the help of a stalk named pedicel, and usually the upper part of this pedicel is swollen, like this part is swollen. So this is known as thalamus. Guys, these were the parts of flower. So I hope I made it clear for you, and flowers are beautiful and I really like them. So guys, if you like the video, please like. Was the flower, and I showed you different parts of flower, and I hope I made clear for you, which we all read in the book, and I tried to show it practically. Request you to plant more and more trees. So I dedicate this video wholeheartedly to the lovely nature, because nature have plants, and plants give us oxygen, and oxygen is need of our. So guys, if you like my video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel Daiwik Unboxing and Activities, and share this video to your friends and relatives so they can also get to know about parts of flower. And I hope to see you soon again. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye.